Definitely don't get any more of those stink bugs. That's so gross. I still smell it, do you?
That's dangerous.
So sticky.
That's your hand that you're holding it.
I know.
Wow.
And it won't go away, it just gets worse.
Even when you wash your hands?
Well, there's nothing to wash our hands in except for pond water. What'd you get?
Nothing. Just slime, you know.
Slime, algae? Algae, yeah.
Hey, what's that? Hey, I can't see anymore. Oh, it's just bubbles. Hey, what's
Yeah,
that?
I thought I...
What? What?
Oh, those look like bugs.
What? What? Are they gross?
No, I think they're all dry.
Those stink bugs are coming. We're getting warm style.
Oh, you're tall.